Welcome to our channel where we explore the latest cars and their features. Today we will talk about the Mazda CX-5, a compact SUV that has been part of Mazda's lineup since 2017. There have been rumors that the CX-5 might be dropped due to competition within the brand's offerings, but nothing has been confirmed. If the CX-5 returns for the 2024 model year, it is expected to be a carryover model. If the CX-5 does return for 2024, we can expect its exterior design to remain the same as the current model. The curvy, sporty design gives it an upscale look, with slim headlights leading into a shield-shaped grille, a smooth front fascia, slim body cladding, and a modest rear spoiler. The back of the SUV features triangular taillights, dual exhaust outlets, and a rounded liftgate. Inside, the CX-5's interior design errs on the side of upscale, with a simple dashboard that rises upward as it reaches the instrument cluster. The central display is positioned on top of the dash and sits above squared-off air vents, with physical controls for the HVAC system placed low down on the center console for ease of use. The CX-5 also boasts a screen controlled by a dial and some physical controls located behind the shift knob. Standard features on every CX-5 include a 10.2-inch screen, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, 2 USB ports, a Wi-Fi hotspot, 4 audio speakers, 2 USB ports, and an HD radio, with available features such as a 10-speaker audio system, wireless charging pad, navigation, satellite radio, and 2 extra USB ports. All 2024 CX-5 models are expected to offer these features. The CX-5 comes with 2 engine options, including the standard 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that produces 187 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque, and an available turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that makes up to 256 HP and 320 of torque. Both engine options are paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive as standard. Safety features on the current CX-5 include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, pedestrian detection, automatic high beam assist, lane departure warning, and lane keeping assist, with available features such as a driver attention monitor, a surround view parking camera, parking sensors, traffic sign recognition, a head-up display, and a reverse collision warning. There's no official word on when the 2024 CX-5 will be released, but if it returns, it's expected to have a similar price tag to the current model, which ranges from $27,975 and to $40,925 and with destination. Stay tuned for more reviews and insights on the latest cars, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.